Today we will cover how to open a kids nursery or play school in Dubai. So now the next question, what is nursery or play school? Well, nursery is like a childcare institute where generally the individual or the parents leave their kids when they go to the office, and during the absence of their parents, this childcare or daycare take care of the kids. They not only just taking care of the kids, they do provide academic and gaming activities, plus they take care of their food and nutrition and complete childcare program. Further, there are some specific set of rules which has to be followed by the any child care or kids nursery in Dubai, which is set by the Ministry of UAE. So let's discuss about all the general rules. What are the points which a person must keep in his mind when he's opening a kids nursery or play school in Dubai? Now the next, how to open a nursery in a school. When it comes to the process, there are three phases which a person must consider, and it has to be followed in the order. So the number one is taking the approval of Ministry of Education. When investor is willing to open a kids nursery or daycare in Dubai, so the first step, he has to get approval from the Ministry of Social Affairs, and there he has to provide his personal information, the owner personal information and the project details. Afterwards, he has to provide academic plan also for the kids or particular nursery, and afterwards there will be a meeting between that investor, the owner of the nursery, and the representative of Ministry of Education. And once the meeting is done, if they suggested any changes or something in the project, then it has to be carried out. Afterwards, we have to finalize the building also, and the client must see and the building's safety concerns are properly taken care of. So all these points has to be taken at the phase 1 when we get approval from the Ministry of Education. So once we completed the phase 1, then the next phase comes to the getting the approval of Dubai Municipality and Civil Defense. So in this second phase, what we will do, we will submit all these required documents to the Dubai Municipality and Civil Defense, and afterwards the representative of the Ministry of Education will visit the premises or the site, and once we got the approval, then we will process further for the next step. And please note, there are some areas like industrial areas or labor camps. On these areas, this type of kids nurseries and daycare are not allowed to be established. And after completing the phase 2, we will process for the final and the last phase, where we will get the approval from the DED, which is Department of Economic Development. Here we will submit all these required documents and the approvals of Ministry of Education, Dubai Municipality, along with the Civil Defense approval. And when we submit the documents, we'll get the initial approval. Afterwards, we'll provide the lease agreement or the location, that rent agreement. And afterwards, the payment voucher will be issued, and we will make the necessary payments and get our legal documents, and we'll get our license. So afterwards, we will apply for the work permit for the investor, and if we are hiring a staff, for them also we will apply for the employment and residency visas. And afterwards, we have to take approval of necessary advertisement. So this is overall 3-phase step to get the legal documents of kids nursery. And you can see there are multiple approvals required from the different authorities, so it seems like quite a complex process. That's why in this scenario you need a business consultant who already established some nurseries and the play school in Dubai. We take care of all these kinds of stuff, and afterwards we will discuss now what are the required documents. Now the next thing, what are the required documents if we are willing to open a nursery, daycare or kindergarten in Dubai. So, well, first of all, we need a passport copy of the entrepreneur, the investor, and his picture, passport size photograph, the applications for the legal document, and we need to get a police clearance certificate also. From the local side, local sponsored documents like his passport copy, his family book, his Emirates ID, we need all these documents as well. and afterwards, once we have all these legal documents, we will take the necessary approval of Ministry of Education, Civil Defence, Dubai Municipality and DED. Further, for setting up a nursery in Dubai, there are mainly two authorities. Number one is KHDA and second is Ministry of Social Affairs. So when we talk about the mainland area or inside the city, we have to approach the Ministry of Social Affairs, and they are responsible to take care of all the nurseries under the Dubai mainland area. And on the other hand, when we talk about the free zone nurseries, if we are willing to establish a nursery in particular free zone area, then in this case we have to take approval of KHDA. In this case, we have to check all these criteria like the health, safety, quality and education. So all these criteria has to be followed. And when we talk about the mainland nursery, in this case, we have to provide the complete details for the project like the academical, operational, financial and the location of the premises and safety, and also all these information has to be given to the concerned authority in order to get the necessary approvals. Further, when we talk about the kind of license, so in Dubai we have two types of license. One is nursery license and another one is early learning center. And for both we have to take a KHDA approval. And apart from that, there is other cost which has to be taken care when we are establishing a daycare or a kids nursery. First we have to get the approval for the license and all, and the concerned department like Dubai Municipality, Civil Defence, Ministry of Education and Ministry of Social Affairs. And afterwards, when all the legal documentation is done, we have to finalize for the employees, and when we will hire them, we have to give them salaries, plus we have to provide them a proper legal residency visa so they can stay here. And afterwards we have to see the like other cost, which is rent of the premises and the electricity, other bills, DEWA, internet connection, landline phone number, all these things. And if we will be occupying some furniture, toys, stationaries, and we have to manage the interior look as well. I mean, so these are the other cost apart from the licensing thing. So when we talk about the cost, how much it cost to establish a nursery in the Dubai. So when we talk about the license cost approx with all the approvals around 40 to 45,000 dirham. Apart from that, there will be a cost for the separate cost for the rent of the premises, the area. It depends where the client choose the location, as it will be as per the location. And if he choose any nice location with the area of maybe 1,200 square feet, the rent will be maybe 100,000 dirham. So overall, if we take around area of 1,000 square feet, then it will be the total cost will be around 100,000 to 200,000, where they can keep some 3-4 staff, and it include the cost of their residency visa and basic approvals and all. So this is overall idea. In case if you have more queries related to this opening kids nursery and daycare in Dubai, we have helped number of clients to open their daycare in Dubai. So please feel free to contact us at the below given details, and thank you so much for watching this video.